Okay, this is a quick video for anyone that's getting confused on switching the TV off using the broadlink device. Personally, I use the broadlink Pro. Most people are probably using the broadlink Mini. Both do the same job. Either one doesn't matter. Okay, Google. TV on.
Okay, activating 5 scenes.
You heard it say activate 5 scenes. That's only because I'm switching on multiple things: TV, soundbar, skybox, and so on. Okay, Google. TV off.
Sure, activating 5 scenes.
Okay, I've jumped a few steps here. I'm assuming that you've set up the broadlink device. You've configured it with your remote controls for your different appliances, TV, so on, and you've then linked that app to your Google Home Assistant. If you have, then within the Google Home devices, you'll have all your scenes that you've listed. So I've got one here that says TV. Now within that TV scene, I've just got the power button configured to that. If you haven't done all this, there's plenty of videos on YouTube that shows you how to configure broadlink and link it to Google. On this video I'm not showing you that bit. So okay, normally you'd wake up Google with the wake up command, and you'd say switch followed by whatever the scene name is, so TV in my case, and then command on. So I'd say switch TV on. Now what that's doing is, that is Google is picking up me saying switch TV on. It's then telling broadlink to send out the infrared signal for whatever button or buttons is allocated to that scene name. So I say switch TV on, Google tells broadlink send out the infrared command for the power button. TV's off, it comes on. Now if I say that same command again and say to it Google switch TV on, it will do exactly the same thing again. It will tell broadlink send out that infrared command for the power button. It's just like you sitting there with your TV remote control, and every time I say switch TV on, you press the power button on your TV remote control. Now if the TV was on and I said to you switch the TV on, you're clever enough to be allowed to look at the TV, see it's on already, and say to yourself, it's already on, I don't need to press the button. Now broadlink hasn't got a clue if your TV's on or off. So when you tell Google, which in turn tells broadlink to switch TV on, it's just sitting there pressing the power button. It doesn't know it's already on, it's just pressing the power button again. Now this isn't ideal, it's the way that broadlink has integrated with Google, and as usual for cheaper options with home automation, nothing's perfect. We have to make it work the way we want it to work. So what we do is you can either, if you're willing to live with it, just say switch TV on or whatever your scene name is, and the TV comes on. When you want it off, sounds quite weird, but you just say to it switch it on again, and say the same command as if you're switching the TV on. The broadlink doesn't know, presses the power button and it switches off. But that's not the ideal way, so let me show you how I do it for shortcuts. For anyone that hasn't created shortcuts, a quick rundown. We're in the main menu here, I'm going to click on more settings, and I'm going to scroll down until I see shortcuts. I'm going to click on that. Here's all shortcuts I've actually created already. But let's just go through running through creating one. So we press the plus symbol, and it's asking you what do you want to say to Google to activate this. I've just made it quite simple by saying TV on. It can be anything you want it to be. You have got options to say, or when I say this, so you can have 2 or 3 different commands doing the same job. It's entirely down to yourself. Okay, so I've put TV on. So when Google hears me say TV on, where it says here Google says should do, I click on that and I put down switch TV on. TV in the middle there is what I've called the scene in broadlink, so it might be something different for you. I'd then press the tick button on the top right there. Not going to because I've already created it. And now when you said the wake up word to Google and then said the words TV on, it would switch TV on. Okay, now for the switching off part, press the plus again. Now I'm just going to make it simple. I'm just going to say TV off. Again, put whatever you want to put. Where it says Google says what should I do, I'm going to click on there. Now this is where it sounds a bit weird, but we're going to put switch TV on. Press the tick button, and now when I say TV off, I'm basically telling broadlink press the power button again. It thinks it's switching the TV on, but actually in fact it's switching it off. Okay, I hope that helps. Any problems, or if you get stuck or need any more help, just send me a message or comment below.